guys, today we are diving into the exciting world of AI and how you can use it to make money. Whether you are a total beginner or looking for a way to increase or expand your income stream, this video is for you. First of all, let's talk about AI writing tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT. These tools can help you create blog posts, ebooks, and social media content quickly and efficiently. To sign up, head over to Jasper AI or ChatGPT website to sign up for an account. It's super easy. Once you are signed in, start by entering a prompt. For example, write a blog post about the benefits of meditation. Then, the AI will generate content based on your input. After generating the content, make sure to edit it for clarity and accuracy. Then, you can publish it on platforms like Medium or Kindle Direct Publishing to start earning money. Next, let's look at AI video tools like InVideo and Pictory. These tools can help you create engaging videos with minimal effort. To sign up, go to the Pictory or InVideo website to sign up for an account. It's quick and straightforward. Then, to create video, choose a template and add your text and use AI-generated voiceover if needed. You can also add images and clips to enhance your video. Once your video is ready, edit it for any final touches and upload it to YouTube or other social media platforms. Consistent upload can help you grow your channel and monetize your content. Now, let's talk about AI art tools like Playground AI or Leonardo AI. These tools can generate unique artwork that you can sell online. If you are interested, first you need to sign up for an account on Playground AI or Leonardo AI. It's simple and quick. To start creating art, you can use different styles and prompts to generate art. For example, you can create digital painting, abstract art, or even custom designs. Once you have your artwork done, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Create a shop, upload your designs, and start selling. Finally, let's explore how you can use AI tools for freelancing. Tools like Photoshop and Lumina Neo can help you enhance photos and create professional quality edits. What you need to do is to sign up for an account. Create an account on freelancing platforms like FIFA or Upwork. It's easy to get started. You just need to create a portfolio, then showcase your AI-enhanced work in a portfolio. Then include before and after examples to highlight your skills. Next, you need to search for clients looking for photo editing services. Then communicate with them, understand their needs, and deliver high-quality work to build your reputation. And there you go. Today, we cover 4 ways to make money with AI tools, which are content creation, video creation, selling ads, and freelancing. These methods are beginner-friendly and can help you to start earning money online. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Please feel free to let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time here. See you next on my video. Bye-bye. Shalom.